Welcome to Yoga with Lena. I'm Lena, and today's class is Yoga for Anxiety, where you can feel calm, relax from your day, and just come back to your breath. So roll out your mat and let's get started. Let's come lying down on the mat. Maybe bring in your feet together or legs in front or wide, whatever feels comfortable to you. And just come lying down, arms either facing up or facing down, whatever feels comfortable to you. Taking a deep breath in here. And as you breathe out, feel yourself letting go of your day, becoming more present on the mat. Breathe in again, just allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And as you breathe out, feel yourself just becoming more present to the here and now. Breathe in again, allowing the breath to flow all the way to the belly. And as you breathe out, feel yourself just letting go of anything that's disturbing you. And you're just becoming more present to the here and now. When we breathe deeply, you're nourishing your organs, allowing the blood to flow to your whole body. The mind is becoming relaxed, just becoming present to the here and now, because this is the only moment we have. So in this moment, decide how you breathe and what you want from this moment. Breathe. Feel yourself letting go. Just take in a few deep breaths here. And then straighten in your legs. Maybe bring your knees and feet together and just straighten them. And then bringing in one knee to the chest. Just pulling it towards you. Allowing that foot to come to the mat now and straightening that leg. Then bringing the other knee into your chest. Again, pulling it towards you. Bringing that foot to the mat. And then bringing the other foot to the mat and just bringing both knees in. Giving yourself a hug. Might even want to bring your head towards your knees. Feeling a lovely stretch here on your back and your neck. And then bringing your head back down. You might want to take your knees from side to side. You might want to do some rotations here. Just taking your time, breathing deeply. Just feeling more and more relaxed, letting go of anything that's disturbing you right now. Just coming back to your breath if you're feeling any tightness, any sensation, allowing you to let go and just breathing deeply so you can be present to the here and now. And then you can place your palms, your hands behind your knees or your calves or even your ankles, or taking your hands to the feet and then just moving from side to side. This is called Happy Baby. You might even want to take your toes, stretch your legs. Really lovely if you stand on your feet all day, even sat at a desk, really does open up the muscles here. And then bringing the feet to the floor, rolling to one side, and then coming to seated. And we're just going to do a breathing exercise. This exercise you can do anytime you're feeling anxious, you're feeling stress. Really does help to calm the mind down and the body becomes relaxed. It can also be energizing if you're feeling lethargic and tired. So it's boxed breathing. Now with boxed breathing, you're going to breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 6, breathing out for a count of 8. So I'll count you in, just have to close your eyes and just follow. So breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your eyes closed and feel any sensations in the body, and then gently open your eyes, bringing your hands to your heart center. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Hope you're feeling calm and relaxed, and I look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, Namaste.